treat yourself to these homemade snack ideas. Have you been working all day lately? Feeling stressed from day to night? Sometimes you just need a little chill pill to calm your nerves down. How about these tasty homemade snacks that can boost your energy and creativity? Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing good and safe at home. If you need something to ease off that stress from your daily workload or house chores, I have some snacks to share that you can do at home without any hassle. Grab your tasty bread and let's make some pizza. Well, this pizza isn't necessarily a dough. You can choose whatever healthy ingredients you'll include in your pizza, like probably olives, pepperonis, veggies, or other stuff. Just do it as how you know pizza was made, then put it inside the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. I would suggest putting quick melt cheese for added flavor. Speaking of cheese, how about homemade cheese crackers? Sounds yummy, isn't it? Combine the shredded cheese, butter, salt, flour, and water into a bowl. Mix it all until it makes a thick and creamy consistency. Place the dough in a parchment paper and cut it according to your liking. Bake for 30 minutes and wait until it's golden brown. Ta-da! Cheese crackers that are perfect for your Sunday movie date at home. Sandwiches may be a thing, but cracker witches make so much difference, and it's fun to create, especially with kids. Get some crackers and place any food in between it. Probably fruits like sliced strawberries or bananas, or include mayo or perhaps Nutella spread for a sweet taste. This recipe varies to your preference, really. So it's up to you which foods you want to include. After all those tasty snacks, we need something to drink. A slushie never gets old. Put some fruits into a blender with crushed ice and milk. Add water gradually and sugar to taste. There you have it, a healthy smoothie or slushie that you can top off with a whipped cream or even fruit. These snacks are easy to make, and I made sure that the ingredients needed are all accessible to your kitchen, and some tools are just available within your reach. You can recreate more recipes with different ingredients according to your taste. You may do these recipes with your kids to let them know the importance of healthy food. Plus, it's fun to create and boost the kids' creativity. It's one way to bond with your family as well, so if you're thinking of eating out, you may try to find something to eat within the reach of your kitchen, and you'll find out that you can make different foods out of simple ingredients. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next one.